Hello friends and welcome to Younger Classes. So previous year's question gave pair of linear equation in two variable ki 3 mark ki session number 4. Okay, so there's a linear equation in two variables ta always 3 marks ta solve graphically. Okay, so likewise 2017 da hangiba 3 marks ki question nama. So solve graphically. X minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. 5x plus y minus 13 is equal to 0. So how is the solution? So question pyramid equation G apet ithopiramba. So the given equations are so x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. We'll call this equation 1. And 5x plus y minus 13 is equal to 0. We'll call this equation 2. So, ahang equation dagi from equation 1 in terms of y the putodi. So x minus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. So implies that minus y is equal to minus x minus 1. X ka y kasi so we have y is equal to x plus 1. We'll call this equation 3. Okay, so sige equation 3 sige equation 3 is naraga x ka y gi values kara puthosi. So some values of x and y satisfying equation 3 are equation 3 are so there is a layer. So equation 3 is the x ki values table number sembirani. Okay, so x y is equal to x plus 1 so x ki values 1 hapam matamda. Okay, x ki values 1 hapam matamda y ki values kyalani x is equal to 1 da y is equal to x plus 1 nina 1 plus 1 which is equal to 2. So amuk x ki values 2 hapsalazi. So x ki values 2 hapam matamda y is equal to x plus 1. So we have 2 plus 1 which is equal to 3. Similarly, x is equal to 3 hapamatamda y is equal to x plus 1 which is equal to 3 plus 1 which is equal to 4. Okay, so x ki values 1 hapamatamda y ki values 2 la amnina natra coordinate ham is equal to 1 2. Similarly, x is 2 hapamatamda y is 3 or abnina. The next coordinate is 2 3. X is equal to 3 hapada y is equal to 4 la amnina. The next coordinate is 3 4. So the three coordinates are 1 2 2 3 and 3 4. Chop manana similarly from equation 2 jidagi aikoina kailo topayagi yengsigo mo equation 2 is now 5x plus y minus 13. So 5x plus y minus 13 is equal to 0 haiba equation 2 amalay. Okay, now sige equation 2 is in terms of y the putosi. So y is equal to 13 minus 5x. We'll call this equation 4. Chab manana some values of x and y satisfying equation 4 are. Equation 4 satisfied toba satisfy tauba kara putuasi. Okay, so this is na equation for the table. So x ki value is kya no aikoina x ki value is ahambada 2 nen loksale natra adu oitaradi y is equal to 13 minus 5x laibnina 13 minus 5 into 2, so we have 13 minus 10 which is equal to 3. So x ki 2 ki value da y 3 tare. Similarly x is equal to 3 hapamatam da y is equal to 13 minus 5x laibnina 13 minus 5 into 3. So 13 minus 15. 13 minus 15 the minus 2. So x ki value 3 da y ki value minus 2. Similarly x ki value 4 da y is equal to 13 minus 5x which is equal to 13 minus 5 into 4. Okay, so we have 13 minus 20. So we have 13 minus 20 d minus 7. Okay, so adu oita di x ki value na 2 oiba matamda y ki value 3 la amnina there is a coordinate ama phange that is 2 3. Okay, ahamba coordinate 2 3. Similarly x ki value is 3 laiba matamda y ki value minus 2 la amnina the next coordinate is 3 minus 2. Chap manana x is equal to 4 iba matamda substitute tawu matamda y ki value minus 7 lakpanina for the kai haibiare the next coordinate is 4 minus 7. Okay, now the equation ani le natra equation ani sigi coordinate point le so hamba coordinate point ji ibi re ko equation 1 gi natra so 1 2 am leira mathangda 2 3 am leira mathangda 3 4 am leira ko mathangda equation 2 gi jagarmano ani subi equation gi jina 2 3 natra sileje 3 minus 2 natra and 4 minus 7 ko sidi idru jai koina graph yelakpada chandabu da nakanda ithokpani. Okay, so this is the graph malay ko now ahamba coordinates ahamba the first coordinate of equation 1 is 1 2, so x axis no 1 y axis na 2 silay. Okay, similarly equation 1 gi ani suba points ina 2 3. Okay, so 2 3 slide. Okay, so how many points we don't see 1 2 aina natra there is the 2 3. Okay, the next point is 3 4 slide 3 4 ko point ahumji aikoina samjinaraga line ama yekpirasi point ahumji phawba line am ye sigi line jina kai hoini haibada aikoigi equation 1 represent tawriba line the one. So this is first line. Okay, so sigi line ji aikoina a b haina tholasi. Okay, we'll call this line a b haina ko now similarly mathangi equation 2 gi coordinate mayam jamgi engsi. So we have the first coordinate 2 3 silai natra hamba coordinate magi ani suba 3 minus 2 x axis to 3 y axis to minus 2, so we have the second coordinate which is 3 minus 2. Okay, mathang the 4 minus 7, so we have 4 minus 7. Okay, mamangi dumaina ko line ama yekpirasi 2 3 dagi hauraga 4 7 phawba nadra line ama yekpirasi. Okay, now sigi line sina equation 2 gi line oidoini natra adu oita di sigi sina c sigi sina d yare ko now equation ani se represent tawriba line ani si 2 3 da intersect tawre sina takpudi gai no x ki value kya oirani 2 y ki value kya oirani 3 okay so sigi potsi ithokpiramasi kamaina ithokni in the lines natra a b and c d represents equation 1 and 2 respectively. Thus, the two lines intersect at 2, 3. So therefore, the required value of x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. So aina solve tawgani linear equation in two variables ki graphical solutions. Okay. So thank you for joining Anka classes. We will meet again.